In this video, you'll learn how to use the TrendTimer My Allocations tool and how it can help you make decisions about how to diversify your portfolio. So we're on the testing screen, and to visit the My Allocations tool, we click on the My Allocations button in the upper menu. So here's the My Allocations tool. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice there's a strategies box. Currently the box is empty because we have not prepared any strategies to be tested yet. So to prepare strategies, we first need to go to the My Strategies screen. So we're on the My Strategies screen now. I'm going to scroll down and click on the NASDAQ 100 strategies link here. That'll display the NASDAQ 100 strategies. Next, I'll select several of these strategies. After selecting the strategies, I will click on the Prepare Selected Strategies for My Allocations. You can see the progress bar being updated. For the strategies to be used in the My Allocations tool, TrendTimer has to calculate some data, and that's what's happening now. So we're now ready to use the My Allocations tool, so I'll revisit the tool by clicking on the button in the menu once again. And as you can see, our strategies box now contains the 6 strategies that we prepared. So now we can experiment with the tool and see what results we would get by investing in multiple strategies. I'm going to click the checkbox next to 3 of these strategies. Then I'll click the Update button. The graph on the left shows us the results. So you can see the individual strategies each have their own line. One is blue, one's green, and one's red. And the yellow line is the combined result of all 3 of these. I'll click the checkboxes next to the remaining 3 strategies and click the Update button again to add these to the graph. You'll notice that next to each strategy there's an investment column on the right here. This allows us to specify how much we want to invest in each of the strategies. By default, this is set to $1 for each of the strategies. So for all 6 strategies, each investing $1, that's $6 total. Over the 20-year period, the investment grew to around $50,000. But you're free to change this to whatever you like. So I could make the top 3 values $2 instead of $1. Click the Update button again, and the graph will be updated. So now the investments have grown to $90,000. There's a graph on the bottom I can expand a bit to get a better view. And what this graph does is shows the yearly results for each of the strategies. There's also a Results tab we can click on for some more information. It gives a little more details. It shows the month-by-month returns of how these investments have performed over time. In the first 2 columns, it shows the total percent return for each month and the total amount. So our total amount is $87,000 for these 6 strategies. If we scroll to the right, we can see how each of the individual strategies performed. So we can see that of that $87,000, strategy 12 contributed $4,000. Strategy 62, $12,000. Strategy 69, $49,000. So this is the big winner. So that's about all there is to it. You can experiment by adding different strategies and changing the investment amounts for each strategy and seeing what kind of results you can get. The intent here is to help you decide how to diversify your portfolio and how much you want to allocate to each of the strategies that you're interested in following. Thank you for watching. For more information about the TrendTimer software and service, please visit www.trendtimer.com.